Tips for running a successful social media marketing campaign. The internet has become a primary source of advertisement for many people. The internet offers low-cost and sometimes free methods to promote products and services for businesses. There are many different ways to advertise through the internet, and one of them involves the use of social media. The following article contains information on social media marketing and how to use it. Social media is a great tool to build trust and relationships with your customers. When marketing your business on social media, you have to be honest and always communicate with your customers. Listen to what they are saying and learn from it. You are not giving up control of your business to them, but you can learn from what they are saying and adjust your business to be more consumer-friendly. Try to map out your objectives and goals for participation when starting a social media marketing campaign. Make them available throughout the company so that everyone within the organization is on the same page. Results from social media marketing will be more productive and better focused when all activities are aligned and working towards the same goals. When using social media marketing, you may have to adjust and refresh your objective and goals on a regular basis so that you can stay on target. The conversations may take your marketing down unexpected paths, so it is best to re-evaluate the direction it is going on a regular basis and adjust accordingly. Whenever you post something on your blog or update your website, write a Facebook post right away. Perhaps you should plan ahead and write your post in advance, so that you are not rushed to do it. Remember that people subscribe to your Facebook posts to be updated about what you are doing. Always remember who your audience is in your social media marketing campaigns and what matters the most to them. You need to post content that is applicable to them and focus your efforts in ways that keep their attention. Your posts should be relevant and of high quality that your followers and fans do not just skip them over because they are not interested. You can have your Twitter posts appear on your Facebook wall as well. Perhaps writing different posts might be best since your audience on Twitter might slightly differ from your Facebook friends, and Twitter is about writing extremely short posts. However, this allows you to update both websites very easily. Employing social media marketing strategies can be a great way to keep in contact with your customer base and develop relationships. Customers that friend you on Facebook or follow you on Twitter do so willingly. They want to hear from you. You can therefore notify them of new upcoming products, sales and discounts, or even just information concerning your business and industry without the fear of being too intrusive. In conclusion, many people use the internet for advertisement. The internet has become a primary advertising platform due to its low-cost advertising solutions. There are many ways to advertise over the internet, including with social media. The information provided in the above article will help anyone use social media marketing. Check out our full training. Shortcut your way to profits and get faster results with this social marketing school. Click on this video's description link to get instant access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel.